Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make one of our wigs slightly larger. If you find that the wig you're wearing at the moment or the ones you're trying on are a little bit tight around the circumference, this is how we can get around that problem. As you can see on this wig, we have an adjustable strap. We're going to cut the strap just here, and then we see the open wefts, and if we aim to cut between either number 2 or number 3, that's going to give us about 1 inch. And if we do the same on the other side, that's going to be 2 inches, so about 4 centimeters. So, you know, that's going to take us up to about 59 centimeters with a little bit of flex in the actual cap. So that will take us up to a large. So we're just going to cut here. Make sure we don't cut any of the hair. Pull that one away. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to go to here, number 3. As you can see, that's now made the actual wig larger by about a good inch. As we cut the strap, we can use this material to reattach. So we measure it up and then cut again. This is where this material will go. And what we're going to do, we're going to stitch it on here and here. And then we'll try the wig on after that and see if that's a good fit. If you find it's still a little bit tight, we can then do the other side. So as you can see, I've used black cotton on this just for the video purposes. If you're doing it yourself, you'd use the same colour as the material here. And you can see, here's where I've extended the circumference of the wig cap just using the adjustable strap which we cut off earlier. And now this has now made this small cap into a medium-sized cap. If you had a medium-sized cap and you did this, you would then turn it into a large-sized cap.